All right, guys. So I have a question that was asked me on our Facebook page for Bitmoji educators. They asked how I automatically made my sharing where when you click my link, it goes to that presentation view like this. So that way you don't see all of the extra stuff that you see when you're in Google Slides, like around here. So when you regularly share your Google Slides, you come over here, you hit share, and you can change whatever settings here. Like right now I have this one as anyone on the internet can view if they've got this link. So if I change it, I could have them be edited, but since it's my personal thing, I don't really want them to edit it. You can force a copy, and that's what I've done with a couple of mine. And then I have my teammate here who she is able to edit this with me. So to be able to automatically share it and it be a presentation view and not this view like you see on my screen right now, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to File and scroll down to Publish to the Web. Now this one's already published to the web, so this is what it looks like after you've published. It says Publish down here, and then you've got the link that you can copy and paste into a new tab, or you can copy and paste to your Facebook page or whatever you're using to get this out to your students and parents. I'm going to show you really quick what it looks like when it's not published to the web. So I'm going to show you on this Google slide right here I was working on for if we were possibly in person. But you do the same thing, go over here to File, Publish to the Web, and this is what it will look like when you're ready to start publishing it to the web. You'll have a link and embed, and I'll do another video on what that means to embed later, but what you're wanting now is just the link to share. So I don't touch this right here. You can. I don't mess with it. I don't see a point in messing with it because I just click when I want to go to the next slide. So if you hit here, Publish, it'll ask you, are you sure? Because, you know, you want to make sure. And then hit OK. And then now you have the awesome link. You can Control-C, open it up in that new tab. And now when you share it with your colleagues or your friends or whoever you're trying to share this with, it will go straight to that presentation mode that you want. And you can click through and share it with whoever you're wanting to share it with. So I hope that that helped, and that is how you publish to the web or just publish in presentation mode. So I hope that helped. Have a great day.